What's up guys? In this video I'm gonna talk about 10 Instagram trends that you need to know for 2021. So who am I? My name is Joe, also known as the Boss Entrepreneur, Pay with Joe, Young Entrepreneur, or one, a bunch of names, okay? I own a business that is making 50 to 100K per month. I made over $1 million profit from Instagram and sales funnel, and I'm here to help you grow your Instagram, monetize it, and scale your online business as well. So let's get right into it. 10 trends that you need to know for 2021 on Instagram. Let me pull out my computer for this one. I'm gonna try to make it not as that long, but we got a lot of talking to do. So number one, Instagram stories, the backbone of influencer marketing. So guys, Instagram stories will always be, the number one place where I get my lead to swipe up, right? If you compare like basically any type of stories, YouTube, messengers, Instagram stories are crushing it, right? With the swipe up feature that is working very well, and you can like run ads on top of that, so you get followers that are swiping up from your ad, but also some of them are also following you, or some of them are just following you, but they end up clicking from one of your posts or swiping up later, right? So very, very cool. Now on top of that, we clearly see more sales, more link click, more grow, more engagement, more people that are trusting your brand with people that are using Instagram stories compared to accounts that are just posting on the news feed. It's like, I would say in 2021, you're almost like a ghost account where there's so many like infographic page that are just posting and you don't know who the brand is. This is another infographic page and you don't really visualize that there's a person there, and you don't connect with that person, and you don't really trust it either, because nowadays there's so many people can just reproduce other people content, other brand content, and you don't even know if they really know what they're talking about in their posts, if they're really making money, all of that, right? Number two, the biggest one, okay? There's gonna be two biggie in this one for 2021, and this one is one of them. I already did literally a live Q&A of like 1 hour talking mainly about that. It's on my YouTube channel. You can find it somewhere. And it's Reels. Reels, it's guys, you gotta understand, when Instagram come up with a new feature, you gotta use it, right? They will reward you for using it. They want people to use it, and there's a reason for that, right? They want basically the whole platform to get engage with the new feature, right? Now, why they're doing that, it's even more important than just that, because if you've been looking at something, a trend that is going on in the past like 1 or 2 years with like Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, we're all doing one thing, right? YouTube was video, Facebook was posting, and Twitter was just like talking, all that crap, right? I never had a Twitter account, so this is why I'm saying that. I don't really enjoy Twitter. I never really been on it, so I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. And Instagram was photo, right? And maybe video. Now, right, there's like stories on YouTube, right? And there's stories in Facebook. And there's DM in Twitter, and I believe you can post video and photo on Twitter, and there's stories on Instagram, and now TikTok come up with some kind of real little 15 seconds thing with music, and then Instagram come up with some reel, right? And then Instagram last year came up with some IGTV, and the year before they came up with like multiple posts. And the year before that, they came up with like copying Snapchat stories or whatever, maybe in 2016 before that, but you get my point. So you want to use Reel, okay? I will do another video on that. This is a key. I had 2-3 accounts that was completely dead, right? There was a lot of issue with the Instagram algorithm at the end of 2020 with the election, this and that, right? Depending on where you was, your political position, like maybe you did something wrong, or maybe you just catch up in the bad mood of the Instagram algorithm. there was some account that was almost dead, and we had some account that was shut down by Instagram. We got it a few weeks later, a month later, right? And it was shadow banned. So how to revive that? I'm gonna do another video on that, but I just basically told you the key. Okay? Reels, reels, reels. Use reel. If you're not using reel, you're real crazy. Okay, number 3. Instagram Live, guys. We're gonna go real quick on this one because Instagram Live, guys, I don't like Instagram Live. Okay? Instagram Live can get you in trouble. Alright, can get your account shut down because people can record that, people can push some button. Most of the time, people in there, to be honest, guys, I went on some Instagram Live a bunch of time, ask questions, try to help people, tell me how to help your business, and people are just not, like, they're there like they're watching a TV. And they're not really there to ask questions, to be smart, to use their brain. They're just like, and it's a lot of trolls. So anyway, we'll just go on to the next one, because if you can do it well, I guess that's fine. But the other thing I don't like about live, for example, if I post in the stories, okay, I get, for example, 300 view in a day, right, on certain account. Another bigger account, I get 2,000, 3,000 view, right? On the same account that I get 3,000 view or 2,000 view in my story, if I go live, okay, if I go live for like 1 or 2 hours, maybe in the whole 1 or 2 hours, I will have maybe 2,000 people, maybe 1,000 people, right? But current, at one time, it's like 30 people, 40 people, 50 people, 60 people if it's going well. And it's like, that doesn't make sense. I have 400,000 followers, 300, right? And even if I have an account with 20K, 30K followers, it's like you go live, there's 12 people. And it's like, Instagram, what are you doing to me? So anyway, that's my point. Now, in-app shopping, don't know that much about that yet, but you know, I have a stats over here. 70% of shoppers use Instagram for product discovery. And 130 million users tap on its shopping posts every month to learn more. And that was in 2019, guys. So there's more people that are using that I thought. And look, guys, there's 2 big things that I told you that is gonna be like the 2 big thing in 2021. I told you one already, that is the real. We're gonna see the other one, but the reason why these 2 are gonna be big, guys, that's because of monetization. That's the whole point. Okay, this year, monetization. Instagram wants to delete their, well, that's gonna be for another video, but Instagram is, monetization is the big point for Instagram this year. Okay, now Instagram Explorer tab. Okay, so all the time, right, you want to be on the Instagram Explorer tab. Now, I got some really cool trick, tips, like strategy that are working all the time to get feature in the Instagram tab. This is so simple. It's like a 2-step or a 3-step if you want to go do it even better. And it's easy, guys. You just have to have the right information and do it. Now, this is in my course. This type of information, you will not find it in like my $7 ebook. You will need to invest a little bit more in the course or work with us one-on-one. I just got my IG secret reveal. Basically, we start our Instagram agency and we help people grow from 3,000 all the way to 41,000 followers per month with their Instagram. And we got 2 types of budget and price, all that, depending if you are a big business or a beginner. So, next, I don't know how much we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is 6. Cross-platform, guys. So you want to share, right, with Twitter, with TikTok, on Facebook, right? Cross-platform, and yeah, you want to use some GIF as well. Okay, so that is a little tip. 7. Okay, so this one I don't even know what it is. Alright, I got my team helping me with this thing. We do blog and they create like and they help me basically do those videos. And I'm not gonna lie, this one is use a branded AR filters. I don't even know what it is. Okay, so branded AR filter on Instagram have been used by more than 1 billion people since it went public, and it will go mainstream on Instagram. Okay, so let me see real quick for you, what is a branded AR filter? What is a branded AR filter? Woo! You know, let me know in the comment if I didn't disable the comment. If you cannot see the comment, guys, and you're asking why he doesn't let comment, that's because there's a bunch of bot all the time, a bunch of scam and spam trying to sell stuff, right? So I cut them. Augmented reality may sound very futuristic, blah blah blah. What is that? Oh, them filters in the stories. Is it that? Yeah, I never really used that, but a bunch of people use that. Okay, carousel posts, guy. Carousel posts, you want to use them, right? I don't use them enough. Why? Right? The post that you can swipe and you can do all the way to 10. Why? Because it keeps people way longer than just one post. Even if it's a video of like a minute and a half, if you got 10 photos and people are looking at the photo, they're reading the caption, all that, you use long form caption. Damn, guys. You keep people on the platform, and guess what? The more you keep people on the platform, the more Instagram makes money by showing them ads, by having data. Okay, so that was 8, right? So 9, Instagram social cause feature. Yep, that is a new thing, guys. There's like, you see those fundraiser thing? Yeah, I told you you always want to use new Instagram feature. This is a new Instagram feature. So for personal cause and stuff like that, right? And obviously with what has been going on in 2020, and that's gonna keep going on like all years, probably. Those raising money stuff will work a lot. And 10, the last but not the least, guy, because I got a big announcement about the 10-1, guys. But this is gonna be for another video, so stay tuned, subscribe. Maybe it's gonna be already out. So I already told you that two big things, right? First reel, and then this one. Why, guys? Monetization. So what is it? You probably guessed it. What we didn't talk about. We talk about stories. We talk about live. We talk about multiple posts. We talk about filter. IGTV. Yeah, guys. IGTV. You can do 60-minute IGTV. If you post from your computer, guys, if you didn't know, I made a video about that. You can do more than 10 minutes long video. And even like 5, 6, 7, 8, 10-minute video. And you can do series. So think about that. Like, if you do it properly, guys, you can have people going in your Instagram, right? And start looking at a series of video that you made when they're basically, I don't know, like going to sleep or on a treadmill or going at their work or even maybe driving. They're putting it on audio. And guys, you can have people watching your series from 1 hour, 2 hours if you do it properly. This is huge. This is so underrated. I didn't do it properly myself and I need to do it. Now guess what? You're gonna be paid for your content on Instagram. They've been talking about it for a while. It should have come out in 2020. It didn't come out, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna come out real soon. They're talking about it. I got some inside. That's not true. I don't have any inside, but it's coming. I'm pretty sure, guys. We're gonna be paid, and I don't know, for whatever reason. I'm guessing there's gonna be something related to crypto. Maybe they waited because they're gonna incorporate some crypto into that, right? So yeah, guys, drop a like if you like this video. There's gonna be here or in the playlist Instagram Marketing 2020, Instagram Marketing 2021, the video that I talk about. Next videos we're gonna have, if it's not out yet, the IG monetization feature. Basically, we're gonna go a little more deeper into that. How you're gonna be able to get paid, what is gonna be monetized on Instagram, and what are like the big thing you want to do and look out for, and you want to prepare for. And in the next video also, or last video, I'm not sure, we got 5 tips, hacks, tricks, strategy to blow up your engagement, right, without spending money. And these are really working. These are not like the typical stuff like, oh, go in the engagement group, go on a group in a DM group or on Telegram, do some rounds, right? Or buy a shout out. No, these are not that. These are like tricks that you can do yourself and or with your team, and it doesn't cost money and it works from day one. All right, so drop a like, subscribe, share it out with your friend. Much love, my friend. Take care.